How to view significant location summary on iOS 15 or above versions. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open Settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then simply tap on Privacy and Security under Battery. Now once you are here, simply tap on Location Service from the top of the screen. Once you are inside the settings of Location Services, scroll below and then you'll find System Services at the bottom. Tap onto it. Now once you are inside System Services, scroll below and you'll find Significant Locations. Simply tap onto that. Now you'll have to make sure that Significant Location is toggled on. So go ahead and toggle on the button. And once you do that, you'll then be able to view Significant Location Summary under Summary. As you can see, I have 0 records right now, but if you do have any records, it will get shown under Summary. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.